In our camp program, we've got core, we have total athlete, we have game changer. Our core program is our sport instruction with our full-time coaching staff. Our total athlete is our core program plus our APD elements. They'll get 1 additional hour through the course of the week, things like nutrition, leadership, mental toughness. Our Game Changer program, that's for someone that wants to put in the extra time. They'll get small group to one-on-one instruction on top of our typical day's worth of instruction.